Hello, welcome back. This is the last 10 questions. We are going to solve the last 10 questions of past paper for grade 8 last year exam. As you see here, the first the 31 question number 31, it says the figure below, road 1 and road 2 are parallel. There are two roads as you see here, the topper and the lower here. Let us try to plot it. The road, the upper road is this one, and the lower road, as you see here, it is. These two lines are parallel. They are parallel. And then what is the and there are some given condition. The distance from here to here 4 kilometers, as you see, and this distance is given to you 5 kilometers, and this distance is given to you 3 kilometers, and here it also 6 kilometers. So what is asked? What's asked? What is the distance between the stationary and the market? The stationary is here, as you see, and the market here. What is this distance? That's the question. So how to do? Try to consider there are two triangles here. Let us try to draw the two triangles. The first triangle, the upper one, this one. We can name this triangle as triangle A, B, C. And there is another triangle lower. Let us try to plot it. The lower triangle is here, it is. This triangle, we can name it as already ABC we say, so here let's say D and B and E. So these two triangles are similar. How? First of all, there are two angles here, upper angle and this angle, they are equal because they are vertically opposite angles, and the other angles, this angle is necessarily equal to this angle. The reason we say the upper and the lower lines are parallel, therefore this line we can consider as a transversal, the line DC. That means the two triangles are, the two angles will be equal. Therefore the two triangles will be similar. Which triangle and which triangle? Let's name it. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle, I said ABC, so I just start from the non-marked angle from here. It's non-marked angle, and I goes to the red marked one. So I have to start from E. E, B, D. E, B, D. Therefore, from this, the proportionality AB over EB, AB over EB is equal to BC over BD. Which one is AB? Unknown. EB also, EB is known, but AB unknown. And the last one, AC over ED. Which line we need? First of all, let's focus. DB, we need DB, so it means we need this one. Okay, so that what about AC? Do we have AC? Yes. Okay, let us choose the last two here. Let us use these two. Then, okay, what is BC? From B is here, don't forget it. BC, that is 5 over. What about BD? BD, that is unknown. This is what we are looking for, because the distance from stationary to market means the distance is BD. This is what we are looking for. Don't forget the B is here. Okay, is equal to, what about AC? AC means the topper, here it is, 4 over. And what about ED? ED, which is given to you already, 6, because this one maybe it covered, here it is, that is 6. Then we can apply crisscross. 4 times BD is 4 BD is equal to, and 5 times 6, 30. If you divide both sides by 4, this is the same as 15 over 2 or 7.5. So the answer is going to be C. Somehow, like this question, it need vision, because if you are trying to calculate it in another way, it will be complicated. Try to see and try to relate on the lesson that you learned. This is all about similarity of triangle. If two triangles similar, corresponding sides must be proportional. So you can apply that formula. Okay, let us continue. The next one, 32, question number 32. Okay, the next question, as you see here, there are two circles. The first circle is O1, here it is, and the second circle is O2. It says in the figure below, O1 and O2 are the center of circle 1 and circle 2. Obviously there is some kind of statement problem here, but clearly this is circle 1, this is circle 2. O1 and O2 are the center. Okay, these are given. And then what? Which one of the following is not true? Then the shaded region is the segment of circle O2. Where is circle O2? O2 is here, it is. So this shaded region, is it a segment for it? First of all, try to be clear what means segment. Let us try to remember. If you have a circle, okay, and in a circle, if you draw a chord means any line segment in a circle, okay, it has to both endpoint must be on the circle. So a chord and the arc of a circle together, they will form a segment. This shaded region will be, we can call it segment. This is what means segment. Okay, arc of the circle and chord of a circle. So this is chord of a circle. So according to this way, does this satisfy the condition? O2 means here it is. So this shaded region, okay, this shaded, is it formed by the arc of it and the line? No, it is formed by a line and arc of the other. This arc is not the arc of the O2, it is arc of the other circle, O1. So this region, it's not a segment of O2, but it must be the segment of O1. So the answer A will be not true. But the other you can check. AB is chord of circle O1. Yes, the line AB means, as you see here, it's visible. AB means this line, the middle line, this line. It is chord for both of them, for circle O1 and for, because it's a line segment connecting two endpoints of both of the circle. And if you go to B, it says AB is, C. AO2 is radius of O2, yes, obviously, because A is on the circle and O2 is on the center. So that radius of a circle means it's a line segment from any point from the circle to the center of the circle. And again, D, what does it say? Arc ACB. Arc ACB means this one, from here until here. It is a major arc, yes, obviously, as you see, it's a major arc. It's greater than 180 degree, greater than a semicircle. That is the answer. So the answer is going to be A. Let us proceed to the next question. Again here, it says this angle is given to you, which is 55 degree. And we can know this one now. We can calculate this one, because in a circle, if you have a four-side figure, all vertices on the circle, we can say opposite angles are supplementary. Supplementary means the sum of opposite angle must be 180 degree. So here, there is one figure visible. That's a four-side figure, as you see, A, then B, then from here you can draw, as I draw here the blue. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means it is a quadrilateral or a four-side figure in a circle. All the vertices are on the circle, as you see. So that angle A and angle C, they have to be supplementary. The sum should give us 180 degree. So angle A given, we can find now angle C. Angle C means it is the same as 180 degree minus 55. When you subtract 125, angle C, it says C, that's correct. But which one is not true? This is 125. But this angle 55 means, you can double and you can load this arc. This arc is going to be double of 55 is 110. And that means angle O is central angle. As you see, O is the center of the circle. So it is the same as the subtending arc. This arc is the subtending arc. This one is the arc BCD, that is 110. How do I get it? I double 55. Because it is subtend, it is 55. Angle 55 means, or angle A is an inscribed angle subtended by the arc BCD. So this subtending arc will be double. So we got this arc means the central angle also will be 110. That means angle O. Where is it? BOD, it says. BOD is 110. That's correct. A also, that's correct. Again, choice B, it says arc BCD. Where is BCD? We got it already. 110. Arc BCD means this one. Here it is. And the other one, arc BAD. Arc BAD means this one, the upper part. How do we know this arc? We can double this angle, because it is this 125, or angle C means it is inscribed angle subtended by the arc from B until BAD. Look, you can revolve in this direction. Let us use another color to make it somehow clear. This one, from here to here. This arc means subtending arc for which angle? For angle BCD. We got it this one already before 125 we said. So if you double it, this must be 250 degree. Is it? No. So the answer must be D. So this kind of geometry problem will be done like on the figure itself. You can calculate it. The next question again here, as you see, this angle is 75 degree, angle B. It is subtending, inscribed angle subtended by the arc from here to here. We can double and you can know this arc. Double this one, which will be 150. When you double 75, 150 degree. And again there is an angle, another angle, angle C. This is 30 degree, means the arc here is going to be 60 degree. You can double and get it, because again that is an inscribed angle. Angle C is also an inscribed angle. Okay, we have two arcs now. In the figure shown below, what is the degree measure of angle APD? We are looking for angle APD. That means this angle we need. To get this angle, first of all, we can know this one now. We can find this angle, this one. Because this angle, like angle DPC, angle DPC means this one, the one that I marked by green. It is an angle, or it is an angle formed by two chords, crossing chords. Remember, there is one formula. Let me remind you. In a circle, if two chords cross each other and form an angle, let's say angle P. Okay, let's say this arc is arc AB, and let's say this arc is arc CD. So angle P means, or angle APB, angle, instead of the angle P, let's say the intersection point, let it be P. So angle APB, either this angle or this angle, because they are vertically opposite angles, they are the same. It is the same as half of the sum of the two arc, vertically opposite subtending arc. That means arc AB plus arc CD. There is a formula. That means now I can find easily the measure of arc DPC, or I can say arc APB. Okay, let's get that angle. Once I know that, the other angle, like the black market, first I can get this is the green one, then I can go to the black market one. So how to get the green one? Angle DPC is equal to half of the vertically opposite arc, are subtending arcs are 150 and 60 degree. 150 plus 60. This is PC. So angle DPC is equal to half of, add them, it will be 210. When you divide 210 into 2, it will be 105. This means the green one. But what's asked? APD. APD means the one which is marked by the black one. So how to do? Angle APD is equal to 180 degree minus 105, because they are supplementary, as you see here. The two angles are supplementary. We can mark by another color in the them. Look, this one. These together, they are straight angle. So they are supplementary. So when you subtract, you'll get how many degree? 75 degree. So the answer will be B. Next question. The largest possible value of probability of an event is, it's obvious, 1. No need of calculation here. Probability of an event, it's less than or equal to 1, and between 0 and 1. 0 means impossible event, and 1 means we can say it is sure event. So that between 0 and 1 probability scale, if you remember 0 and 1, there is half chance, 1 over 2 or 50% we can say, or 0.5. That is even chance, we call it even chance. So this one sure event, this one is impossible, this one certain or sure event. So the largest possible one is just 1. In percent, it must be 100% if you are asked 100 percentage, but it says the largest possible value. The value is maximum 1. Okay, the next question again, here it is. It says a taxi is selected at random from taxi station. There were 20 taxis coded with numbers 1, 2, 3 until 20. Okay, what is the probability of selecting a code number 4 taxi? So the numbers which is coded for the taxis are like 1, 2, 3. So how many number 4s are there? Just one number 4 it is. So 1 over 20. We don't have another choice, because it says a taxi is selected at random from a taxi station. There were 20 taxis totally, coded numbers 1, 2, 3, like, so that 4 appears or 4 exists how many times? Just one times. So what is the probability selecting a number 4 taxi? Means just one chance I do have. How many out of how many? Out of 20. So the answer will be C. That is probability. Next question. It says in the figure below, A is equal to. We are asked to find A. First of all, in this question there are something which is missed. This is 90 degree necessarily. This must be 90 degree. So by altitude theorem, or remember Euclid theorem, in a right angle triangle, if you draw an altitude from the right angle to the opposite hypotenuse, if you draw an altitude, that means it will divide the opposite hypotenuse into two components, or into two segments. Let's say these components are E and F. Therefore the altitude theorem says h square is equal to the product of these two components, E times F. That is the rule. So this time we are asked to find the A. The A is, as you see, it's the altitude one, and the two base segments are given to you, like the division part of the hypotenuse. So that according to the formula, I can say A square is equal to 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. So what's A? You can put in the radical now, because to remove the square. So A is equal to 6. So the answer will be D. The next question, if the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 12, what is the length of the altitude of a triangle? First of all, what means equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means it's a triangle, all the sides are equal. All the 3 sides equal. If one of the side A, the second also A, the third also A. Each sides are equal. So the sum of the 3, that means A plus A plus A given to you, that is 3A. 3A is given to you 12. 3A is equal to 12, because the perimeter means the sum of all the 3 sides. If you divide by 3 both sides, you can get the A value is equal to 4. That means each sides are 4. This is 4, also this one 4, this is also 4. So what's asked? What is the length of the altitude? The altitude means a line which will be drawn from one of the vertex to the opposite base, which you divide the base equally. This line, this is altitude h. So the base will be divided into equally, means this, it was 4, I can write here 2, 2. So we can consider now one of the right angle triangle here. You can see two right angle triangles. I can consider this right angle triangle. I can detach and see separately. There is a right angle triangle, one part. This is 4, this is 2, and the altitude we need, and there is 90 degree here. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. The two legs are the shorter, 2 and h are legs, and the hypotenuse 4. So h square plus 2 square is equal to 4 square. I can apply Pythagoras theorem. So h square plus 4 is equal to 16. So I can shift the 4 to the other side. H square is equal to 12. Then if you put both sides in the square root, so what do we have? H is equal to, by the way, square root of 12 means it is the same as 4 times 3. Because we can express as a product of two numbers, but one of the number must be like perfect square number. Otherwise someone can say 6 times 2, it has no value. But this time I say 4 times 3, because the 4 is perfect square number. I can simplify and write it 2 radical 3, because radical 4 easily can be extracted from the square root. So the answer is going to be, finally, h must be 2 radical 3. So where is it? The answer is found at A. Okay. Yeah, we did this question 38. We can go to 39. Question number 39, here it says, sine theta is given. This angle, the sine value is given. The sign value means opposite over hypotenuse. First of all, what does 0.6 means? It is the same as 6 over 10. So we can simplify and write it by 2, 3, this by 2, 5, 3 over 5. But AC is given to you 15. This length is given to you 15. So what is asked? AB. We need to find AB. Let's say this one X. This is what we are looking for. Okay, then what we can do now here, sin theta already given to you. What is sin theta means? Sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. That means opposite side is X for this angle. Which one is opposite? The side which is found in front of the angle, that is X, over the hypotenuse side already given to you 15. But sin theta is given to you how many? 0.6. So 0.6 is equal to X over 15. So let us write it down. 0.6 means, 6 over 10 we said already is equal to X over 15. We can change it better, and we can simplify again here. By 3, by 2, 3, this by 2, 5. Then crisscross, 5 times X will be 5X is equal to 3 times 15, 45. Then divide by 5 both sides. Then you can get X value is equal to 9. 45 divided by 5. So the answer will be C. The last question, here it is, question number 40. Considering the triangular prism. Triangular prism means the base is triangle, as you see here. The base here, B, then D, then C. It is triangle, the base. So what are another drawn things here? The altitude given. The altitude means AF. AF, it is altitude. Altitude of what? Altitude of the pyramid. The one which is drawn from the vertex to vertically to the base, perpendicular to the base. And the other slant height. The slant height is AE. AE means it is altitude of the face. Altitude of the face will be slant height. So what does the choice says? Which one of the following is not? First of all, it says which one is not true. So choice A says AB is slant height. No, AB cannot be slant height, because the slant height must be AE. B, AF is a slant height. I mean, AF is the height of the pyramid. We said it already, yes. And triangle ABCD is the base of the pyramid. Triangle BCD, yeah. BCD. The base means this one, this face, the down face. That's going to be the base. That is true. And triangle ADC. Where is ADC? Let's try to see ADC. A, then D, C. That means the other face. You can say the left side, say face. It's what? Lateral face. Yes, there are 3 faces: front face, left and right. We can say, or there are, because the base is 3 side. The faces, the lateral faces are 3. Front face is there, and 1 left and 1 right face. So again, it is lateral face. That's correct. The answer must be A, because it says which one of the following is not true. AB cannot be slant height. AB is just edge, the lateral face edge. So these are the answers of the 2021 grade 8 national exam paper. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thank you.